Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Honda Jazz ES Plus. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine with the automatic gearbox returning up to 51 miles per gallon. This car has a very low mileage of just over 15,000 miles and has been serviced 7 times in that mileage, so the car's been very well looked after. This particular colour is called Alabaster Silver and looks in really good condition for the age of mileage. As we have a look inside on the Jazz, you've got the good wide door opening there and easy access, so to save you bending down. A few features worth mentioning: in the centre there you have your CD player and climate control. And this car also has the folding door mirrors and 4 electric windows there on the door card. Rear passengers have got good access there into the back, lots of legroom and headroom, so ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats. And as we open the tailgate, you'll see you've got a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. Nice little feature that I like is you've got the storage net there below the floor, and you've also had some extra storage underneath as well. So overall, a very practical car. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128 points check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.